2. Birth, the beginning of a giant. The gestation period of about 22 months, the longest of any land mammal. Females give birth standing. The newborn may weigh over 100 kilograms. Show how the herd, especially the matriarch and other females, protects and helps the newborn stand and take its first steps. Capture the emotional scene, trumpeting, touching with trunks, forming a protective circle. Describe the mother's care, feeding milk, teaching it to use its trunk, guiding it through dangers. 3. Childhood and early learning. Elephant calves are highly dependent on their mothers and the herd. The social structure, matriarchal groups led by the oldest female, mock fights, learning to use the trunk for drinking, eating, and social communication. Joy, curiosity, empathy, and even mourning behaviors show the calf's bond with its mother and allomothers, female relatives that help raise it. Mention the father's limited role. Males live separately after adolescence. 4. Adolescence and independence. Around 10 to 15 years old, males start leaving the herd, while females remain in the matriarchal group. Young males wander alone or join bachelor groups, learning dominance and survival skills. Females begin taking on social roles, caring for newborns, remembering water sources, and supporting the matriarch. Social communication through trumpeting, rumbles, infrasound, and body language show their intelligence, memory of landscapes, compassion, and self-awareness. Traveling long distances, foraging, bathing, dusting, and resting under trees. Elephants are herbivores, eating grasses, fruits, bark, and leaves. Up to 150 kilograms of vegetation daily. Show how they use trunks and tusks to uproot trees, dig for water, and communicate. The matriarch's leadership, her wisdom guides migrations and protects the herd. Include interactions with other animals, peaceful coexistence, occasional conflict, mutual respect. Highlight elephants' ecological role. Ecosystem engineers who shape landscapes and create waterholes used by other species. 6. Reproduction and mating. Males enter musth, a period of heightened testosterone and aggression. Males seek receptive females, engage in displays or battles, and then mate briefly. The tenderness that may follow, touching trunks, gentle communication. Females choose strong, healthy males, ensuring genetic strength. Mention the long gestation again and the emotional investment of the mother and herd in every new life. 7. Aging and decline. The physical changes as elephants age. Worn down teeth, slower movement, weaker body. They rely on memory to find food and water, even in tough seasons. Older elephants pass down knowledge to younger generations, a living memory of the herd. Their increasing solitude or dependence on the herd's younger members capture the dignity and quiet wisdom of old elephants. 8. Death, the end of a journey. Depict how elephants sometimes sense death approaching, moving to quiet places near water. Mention observed behaviors. Other elephants visiting, touching the body, standing vigil, showing grief. Elephant graveyard legends versus real mourning behavior. Reflect on how the death of an elephant nourishes the ecosystem, scavengers, plants, and soil. End with a philosophical note. Life and death as part of the natural cycle.